Coming to you live from the second annual Kids All-Stars Camped Chop Championship.
Let's introduce our chefs.
The reigning champion, Chef Reed Ray. Chef Wyatt Fury. Chef Levi Ramsey. Chef Giada Graham. Chef Logan Flay. And newcomer, Chef Keenan Simon. For 2023 Camp Chop Champion Chefs, let's show them what they'll be playing for.
This year's 2023 Camp Chop Championship is brought to you by Tums and Pepto-Bismol. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Back again this year, our all-star panel of judges. Chef Chad Graham, Chef Michelle Jafrida, and Chef Jack Vandor. And our referee for this event, Tori, Meat Probe Thermometer Dominator. She is here making sure everything's safe. Contestants can use anything found in the pantry. Chefs, let's talk about the rules. You're going to be judged on creativity and taste. You're going to have 40 minutes to complete this task. Plating is extremely important according to one judge in the corner. You have your baskets in front of you. Your baskets are going to contain all your secret ingredients. You're allowed to use anything else you see on the pantry. Please share utensils, share cooking space. That's what's going to make this all work. I see we have our returning champion, Chef Reed Ray, ready to roll. Chefs, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and open our boxes and look at our secret ingredients. One at a time, Chef. Pull them out. What do we got here? We have pork riblets. What else? Pull out the next one. We have half stale tortillas. Pull out the next one. An apple. Is there another ingredient, Chef? Huckleberry preserves.
Give me that.
All right, chefs, those are the ingredients. If you are ready,
How much time?
referee, got the clock going?
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. Ready, set, go.
This is like jam? Yes. Okay.
This is not easy to last year. We have riblets.
Start those.
Plate.
Here's some paper.
You know, my mama always said, when there ain't no apple cutter, use a knife.
That makes sense. That makes sense, Chef.
But we haven't used one in a while.
Actually, I need another apple. I swear, if I lose to a rotten apple.
Chef, what are you doing here? What's going on with this apple?
It's rotten.
It's rotten.
They didn't take time to put ingredients in.
Well, they took time.
Well, I don't know. Rotten apple.
No, it's actually you cut the spot out.
You know, rotten apples usually have the best flavor. Chef. Chef, this reminds me of last year. Are you throwing food back in the garbage can?
No.
Don't run with the knives.
Whoa.
Chef, what's your inspiration for what you're doing today? What do you got going? Do you have? You don't know?
He doesn't know, guys.
Okay, we'll come back and ask later then. Your thoughts, Chef.
Well, I'm eating my breakfast, pre-breakfast.
Warming up the palate. I understand.
Warming up the palate, and a little sweetness here. I don't know what to expect. I see some food burning right now on the smoking or whatever.
And with that, let's take a quick break and hear from our sponsors.
Uh-oh, I forgot to flip my fork.
Chef, what What's your plan for today? What are you going to be doing?
Chopped up apples and put some peanut butter on it.
That's what
Okay, well,
lost me last time.
what else are you doing? There's a lot more ingredients than apples.
I'm gonna cook the pork and make
I
a
can make apples as like a side dish.
taco.
All right. Thank you, Chef. Chef Levi, what's your plan for today? What are you planning on doing?
Well, you see, I'm gonna make this instead of peanut butter because that's just normal stuff.
35 minutes remaining. 35
So I'm gonna put this stuff on here, and then I'm gonna take those pork and stir it up like bacon, and then I'm gonna make a quesadilla.
I like it, Chef. Chef, what's your plan? What's your plan today? What are you thinking?
Okay, so
whisper it.
I'm basically making like like an apple crisp, I guess. I don't know, but like using the tortilla and then put the apples inside, like and put the chicken in it and stuff, and then with the side of like whatever that was.
Awesome, Chef. Thank you.
It came out a little bit. Who opened this? It's his fault. He opened it.
Hey,
He did.
hey, it's fine.
Chef, what are you doing, Chef?
I'm feeding the vacuum cleaners.
Our vacuum cleaner, in case anything gets dropped. Chef, what's your plan, Chef?
So we're gonna mix this around.
Returning champion, Chef.
Yeah, we gotta go with creativity. All out or
Creativity.
yeah, all in.
So your plan is you win, or do you have a plan?
Well, personally, I don't need to win. I just need to beat that guy
Oh, really?
who is currently still slicing his apples. So I think we have a pretty good chance.
I have a great
We're
idea.
gonna
You're not
go
gonna
with
beat me this time.
presentation this time. This looks pretty good. Pretty darn good.
Thank you, Chef. What are you planning for today? What is your inspiration? How are you going to win?
I'm gonna win. That's how. That's my inspiration. I'm not gonna lose this time. I'm gonna win. That was an embarrassment.
Okay, so you're holding a little close to your heart. You're not going to tell us what you're going to do. It's going to be a surprise. Thank you,
It'll be a
Chef.
surprise.
Oh, the sticker.
The what?
Sticker.
Okay, Chef. Chef, what do you think? What do you think about the main protein of today, the pork riblet?
I'm very excited for the pork riblet. It's like bacon, but not seasoned at all. I really hope they know that. Maybe they should test their food before they give it to us.
Hey, Judge, is a pork riblet, does it have seasoning on it like bacon?
No.
No. Okay, well, thanks, Chef. I like it, Chef. Huckleberry peanut butter apples. Another chef just put down meat.
28 minutes. 28 minutes. If you do finish early, the judges are happy to taste early.
I don't know if they're happy, but they'll taste early.
But don't touch the grill.
Hey, what is the magic number for the thermometer?
145. No, you have to keep it in there.
If you make a mistake cooking that pork, don't worry. Our event is sponsored by Tums and Pepto-Bismol.
Really?
The champion's coming to see what you're doing.
Where's the salt?
Mommy. 181. Maybe I should take that off.
You okay there, Chef? You need some Pepto? Oh, she spit it out. It must not taste good. Fire.
Mom, take me a plate.
No, I can't help you. I can't help you.
Whatever.
Well, slice and dice.
Freed, what did you throw up? What did you spit out? What was bad? Garlic?
This, but then someone said that they tasted good.
3
So
minutes remaining.
This is raw garlic, Reed.
you like raw garlic?
I'm half Italian.
Sure you're satisfied with how you...
Chef, we talked earlier. You didn't quite know what you're doing. What are you thinking now?
Cheese tortilla with some
Pork riblets and a bowl of cereal. The bowl of cereal didn't do well. Did you have all your ingredients? I think you're missing your apples and your huckleberry jam.
Hey, Phil, do we have any eggs?
You got a plan for those, Chef?
together. Put them together.
Excellent, excellent, Chef. Cook! Your tortilla's on fire! Cook! Cook your tortillas on fire.
They're right here, Keenan.
That's very slow.
Our first chef. Chef, what have you created today for the judges?
Okay, so it's a apple crisp kind of, and it has brown sugar and apples inside, and then then it has like a jam and brown sugar like drizzle inside of it too. And then I have the riblet there, and I seasoned it pretty well, I think, but I recommend eating the tortilla with a knife because it might fall apart.
Thank you, Chef.
Okay. Looks a little crispy. Did you have some problems with the grill?
Yeah.
What kind of problems did you have?
I left it on there too long.
Did you have a fire?
No.
On all the meat. The kids have been very good about that.
A lot of seasoning on it.
Very well seasoned.
Very well seasoned.
Jack's like, great. Look, here we go again.
A lot of Johnny's.
They started with the pork ribs.
Okay. Dig into whatever this.
Chef Wyatt. All right.
Don't mind that one.
Chef, tell the judges what you prepared for them today.
So, I got cheese, hash brown, and pork. Yeah. Tacos a little burnt there, but that's okay. Then right here, I got apples, peanut butter, and huckleberry. Yeah.
Well, thank you, Chef.
Okay, just tastes a little off, but
Are they the same?
Hash brown, pork,
cheese.
taco.
Actually pretty good. Just whip it.
I'm sticky. Do not want them.
Crispy.
Very crispy.
Got a good char on it. Call it a char.
That's yours now.
It's still really good. I had his hash browns. They're good.
Chef Levi.
That's not good, but here you go.
Chef Levi, what have you prepared for our judges?
I have an egg and cheese and hot sauce sandwich right here. It's got a little bit of hot sauce on there, but should be careful. I know it sounds gross, but it should be okay. This is cooked all the way through, so don't get be mean. We got these tortillas. I've tried a bit of this tortilla. It is very good, and yes, I didn't just go.
Oh, you cut a piece off?
And then I took some huckleberry jam and I put it on here.
Okay.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Chef, do you have anything to say to our sponsors of today's event?
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll try this.
Good quantity of food there.
I think you did a good job on those tortillas.
I think you did a good job on all of it. Good job.
Thank you. I'm not scared of eating my own breakfast either. I'm not scared.
Woohoo!
That's awesome.
Because that looks delicious.
Why we struggled carrying this over here.
Here comes Chef Reed, the returning champion.
It's going to be the two of us.
So, I'm just gonna. Okay, hold up.
Is this like a 5-course meal?
Okay, Chef, tell the judges. Bye, Chef.
We just had to make bananas.
There's more.
Oh, there really is a
Okay, Chef, tell the judges what you've done here.
So, you gotta eat the Cheerios with the jam. I know it looks a bit unappetizing. Then we got a little seasoned apples. You know, we've actually never tried one before, but you dip it in the middle, and it's supposed to be like a little flour. Then you got this, it has ketchup in the middle. It has the option, if you want to dip it in the hot sauce, you don't have to. Then again,
What's in the tortilla?
So we have some scrambled eggs and cheese, and then we put the ketchup in the middle. Professional wrap in there. Then this is like really good. So if you want to like I tasted this a little bit, but I used it before. But it's pork, and if you want, you can taste it on its own, but you can also dip it in the ketchup. And then we just got this traditional banana toast. It's amazing, straight up amazing.
Thank you, Chef.
Done.
Timer. Oh, they're all done. They're ready.
Time up, chefs, and you're all lined up, so we're good.
He's like not even eating. Jack, it's you and I. He's got to tap out over here. All right, Keenan.
Chef, I heard that this is the first time you've ever really cooked.
Yeah.
Okay, well, this is going to be exciting. Tell the judges what you've created for them today.
So, I made tortilla cheese. Or whatever. That's the same thing with this. Apple with cranberries, or that, and then a banana, and then that.
She's all, I'll take one. That's good.
Did you season your riblets?
I put salt on them. That's all I put on them.
All right, and our final chef, Chef Logan. Chef Logan, tell the judges what you've created today.
So I made a hash brown and cheese burrito, riblets, another hash brown, and I made a little ingredient.
Okay.
It's not cranberries, huckleberries, brown sugar, and apples.
Okay. I'll try this little section right here.
It looks cooked very well.
The apples
What do you want, Phil?
freaking amazing.
Riblet?
Chefs, how do you feel like you did this year, the 2023 Camp Chop Championship?
I think I did pretty good.
Pretty good.
Reed, how do you feel you did?
I mean, we tried. Let's just put it that way.
You tried?
I tried. I tried.
Keenan? Chef Keenan? Chef Levi?
I did really good.
Chef Abby?
I don't know.
Chef Wyatt?
Pretty good. I liked it.
Chef Logan?
I think I did pretty good too.
You think the best part about this is you've all cooked your own breakfast now and you're all eating? Everybody, I tasted everybody's this year, and I'm going to tell you, from last year to this year, way more improvement in your cooking skills. So great job, everybody. Great job. The judges are deliberating right now.
He kind of smothered the huckleberry over that.
Overall, though, chefs, huge improvement, right, this year?
They did so great. I'm so proud of all of them.
Okay, chefs, the judges have deliberated. Judges.
All in all, you guys did a very fantastic job. We are so proud of everything that you've accomplished. Yourself for a hand.
Good job.
Chefs, do we have a winner of the 2023 Camp Chop Championship?
It was tough.
Yes.
Yes, we do. It was tough.
We had to find the smallest detail to go and determine, who won. And what did we come up with on that? What was the difference was?
The difference was seasoning and like the cooking, like how long they've been cooked and things like that. When she said flavoring and how the apple was cooked.
And so, go ahead.
This year's winner.
Jack?
Logan? You're pretty good.
Let's go!
Chef!
You forgot your stuff.
Yes! Oh! Thank you.
Huckleberry, that was
Reed. Reed, how do you feel as a good sportsman in this event?
Disappointed, man.